Hello, my friend, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be combining two images to create one edited photo. So, a customer messaged me on Instagram saying she wanted to merge two photos. She sent the photos, and upon checking I found them to be quite blurry and low quality. However, I didn't want to disappoint the customer. So I accepted order after I collected 50% payment and confirmed the order. Firstly, I'll enhance the photos and remove the blurriness. To enhance the photos, I'll use the Topaz AI software. Here are the before and after shots. After that, I'll need to uncrop the photos. To expand the photo, I'll use Adobe Firefly. After expanding the photos, I sent them to the customer for approval, and she liked it. Now I'll enhance and uncrop the second photo. Following the same process, now let me show you the direct end result. Here are the before and after shots. I've also created a background, so now we just need to combine both photos. Now, let's open Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, create a new document. You can choose your preferred size. I'm creating a document of 18 by 24 inches as per the customer's requirement. First, import the background image. Then import the first photo and separate the person from the background. Next, import the second image and separate the person from the background as well. Adjust the size and position of both photos. The hair in the second photo doesn't look right, so I need to create new hair. After creating the hair, adjust lighting and colors, create some shadows. And finally, after retouching photo, here is the final result. Then, I exported the photo from Photoshop with my watermark and sent it to the customer for review. The customer liked my work. She completed the remaining payment. And I sent them the final original file. Here is the customer's review. Hope you like the video. If you also want to get your photos edited by us, all my contact details are displayed on the screen now. Thank you again. See you in the next video.